Hello friends, welcome back to Robotics Automate Academy. Today's agenda is to learn operators. So please watch this video carefully and listen carefully because operators are going to be very useful in my next few videos and also throughout the course. And our next video is going to be about next few videos are going to be about unary assignment, arithmetic, and relational operators. And if you don't know what those means, then you're going to learn it today. So guys, please subscribe and hit the like button if you learn something new or if you like this video, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and Facebook. And let's get started.
Operators. You might be having questions like what are operators or how to use them, why do we need to use them. So I'm going to answer all of your questions in today's video, and if any of your question was not answered in this video, then please do tell me in the comments or contact me and I will definitely respond to your question. Introduction to operators. Operators are the basis for both control and management of data within applications. You use operators to define how one piece of data is compared to another and to modify the information within a single variable. So, in fact, operators are essential to perform some very important tasks as well. For example, any sort of math related task and to assigning data to variables. When using an operator, you must supply either a variable or an expression. You already know what a variable is. It's a kind of storage box used to hold data. If you watched my previous video, then you should know what a variable are. And if you don't know, then please watch my previous video. You can find the link in the description box, so please do check that out. So expression, it's an equation or formula that provides a description of a mathematical concept. In most cases, the result of evaluating an expression is a Boolean value, true or false. So if you don't know what Boolean is, then please watch my data types video. You can find the link to it in the description box. So please do check that out. So this was the introduction of operators, and the next thing we are going to learn is meaning of it. What are operators? Operators accepts one or more inputs in the form of variables or expressions, performs a task such as comparison or addition, and then provides an output consistent with the task. Operators are classified partially by their effect and partially by the number of elements they require. So, for example, a unary operator works with a single variable or expression, and a binary operator requires two, because you should know that un, which means one, and bi means two, like bicycle, because bicycle have two wheels. The elements provided as input to an operator are called operands. The operands on the left side of the operator is called the left operand, while the operand on the right side of the operator is called the right operand. So now we are going to learn different types of operators. Different types of operators. There are total of 8 types of operators in Python language. Uh, different languages have different number of operators, different types of operators. So just remember that not all programming languages have 8. The first one is unary, second is arithmetic, third is relational, fourth is logical, fifth is bitwise, sixth is assignment, seventh is membership, and eighth is identity. But for now, we are going to learn only 4 of them. because they're going to like come and use very soon. But the other four, they are like in for future thing, they will not come and use like just yet. We are going to learn unary, arithmetic, relational and assignment in the next few videos, so please stay tuned for that. And these were the 8 types of operators in Python language. And now just we are going to get a brief of how they like what are the values of their, like boolean have true and false as their values. So these operators also have values of their own. Values of the types of operators. So unary have these three. These are the like commas that are separating them: plus, minus and the complement. Arithmetic has plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus, then like the squared and double slash. Then relational is equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. Logical and or not, three different. Bitwise and or, exclusive or, one's complement, left shift and right shift. So these are the signs, but these are like words to tell you how to say them. Assignment: equal to, plus equal, minus equal, times equal, division, divide equal, modulus equal, squared equal, double slash equal. Then membership: in and not in, two different. So see, these are two different of them. So remember, in, not in. The next we have is identity: is or is not. As same as the previous one, two different, is and is not. Like English, is or is not. So like sometimes Python and English language will have some similarities, like same words like is, in, not in, is not, like that. Ending of the operators. Each of the types performs a specific task and they have a very important job. For example, the arithmetic operators perform math-based tasks as the word says arithmetic, while relational operators perform comparisons as the word relational says relation. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. So this is the main idea. Operators, each of the types of operators have a very specific job. Like programmer would program, electrician does has work with electric wires, circuit, and all that kind of stuff. So friends, that's all I have for you today. So by now you should have basic knowledge of operators. And in our next few videos, I'm going to teach you how to use some of the types of operators like the unary, relational, arithmetic, and assignment, as I told you earlier in the video. So now, I'm telling you this so you can like get an idea of what we are going to learn next time. And also, if you did not understand any part of this video, then please do re-watch the whole video, because operators are a very important chapter and they're going to be useful throughout the series. Actually, like without them, also nothing is possible. And guys, please subscribe and hit the like button if you learned something new or if you like this video. And follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter and Facebook. Details are provided at the end of the video. And guys, bye bye. Have a nice day. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, have an amazing week and day.